Hello. In this video, we will be addressing search rules. GEODI's powerful search capabilities will rescue you from getting lost among files. GEODI usage is as simple as Google. The semantic search capability of GEODI enables you to easily access hidden information in your proprietary data. We'll go through each heading step by step. Search page. As presented in GEODI 101, you must be already familiar with the search page. Please feel free to experiment with the search features presented in this video by using your own environment. To experiment with GEODI's search features, you may as well use the live projects presented on our web page. The facet area on the left provides shortcut for narrowing down search results. The rule established to narrow down search results is displayed on top of the facet area. To remove a criteria from the rule, click the X mark right next to it. To remove all, simply click the X button next to the search box. Search by keyword. GEODI's advanced search capabilities enables you to discover data. Input your keywords to the search box. File servers, emails, web pages, or social media. GEODI will search through all sources simultaneously. GEODI will display a list of related files, database records, social media messages, or emails available in all data sources. After performing a search, you also have the option to view the documents. By default, unless specified otherwise, GEODI will search for specified keywords both in file names and contents. Search functionality extends to all tabs, including map, panels, and calendar. You can further narrow down your search by utilizing the map and calendar tabs. Clicking on a location on the map or selecting a specific day on the calendar provides a seamless way to access your desired results. Starting with or ending with. With GEODI, by using the wildcard at the beginning or end of your search word, you may perform starts with or ends with searches. By document name. To limit your search scope, by document name type doc to the search box. To find all PDF documents type doc.pdf, doc:**.pdf. To find all documents starting with the word plan type doc:***satface plan. To find notes taken by GEODI within a document type doc.geodinote, doc:***.geodinote. You may as well use the facet on the left-hand panel to narrow down contents by file type. Facet provides information about content types and their respective counts. Benefits of querying. You've learned few rules. Before we proceed further, let's quickly recap where these rules can be beneficial beyond just search. 1. Search. 2. Monitoring. 3. Panels. 4. Reports. 5. Data classification. Monitoring. You can monitor anything you're able to search for. Monitoring saves you time. Panels. Utilizing queries in panels enhances user efficiency. For instance, in the Notes panel, search allows you to easily access the notes you've taken and the documents associated with those notes. Report. Get personalized reports based on your queries. If you're utilizing data classification, the data classification rules also employ identical idioms. Query by dates. Experience the power of semantic date search with GEODI. When you type January 5, 2020, or 5 2020, GEODI matches corresponding dates. You can effortlessly access documents written in different languages and formats. In cases when exact date is unknown, simply specify a range of months or days, and let GEODI handle the rest. GEODI also identifies date ranges within documents and locates dates that intersect with your search criteria. By relying on the creation date of content such as emails, social media, or mobility records, you may perform natural language searches. Writing today to the search box will find emails received today. Similarly, typing last week will locate social media messages from last week. GEODI will also identify similar expressions inside the content. In a note stating, "Let's review the contract together tomorrow," the term tomorrow will be recognized and displayed as an accurate date in GEODI calendar. Misspelled words. A keyword may be misspelled within the content. Using the tilde symbol at the end of your search term will bring similar expressions with potential misspellings. To create the tilde symbol, simply press Alt plus 126. While this approach helps identifying misspellings, be aware that similarity between certain words may also yield to some incorrect results. Reverse and combine the rules. To exclude specific keywords from search, just add a minus sign in front of the search term. A search may consist of multiple keywords. To do so, simply list them consecutively, with at least one space between each. GEODI will search with an implicit and statement and will retrieve content matching all keywords. To perform a search, matching either one of the search words, add or statement between them. A query debt or agreement will find content that includes either debt or agreement. Search rules consisting of one or multiple search words can also be combined together by using parentheses. This comes in handy in panels and data classification. Our goal here is to thoroughly describe GEODI capabilities you have at your disposal. Further information can be found on our website support pages. If you have any further question, please feel free to contact the DJ team. Query of similar and duplicate documents. GEODI has a built-in feature to automatically identify similar or duplicated documents. Duplicates can have different names and sources. Similar documents can be found by typing similar to the search box. You may as well specify a similarity ratio. Further detail can be found on our support page. Query by version. GEODI versions changing files within the same source. Consider a scenario where we have a file indexed using GEODI. Subsequently, let's assume the file has changed and GEODI indexed the changes. A version is created at this stage. Documents added to GEODI through drag and drop or by other means are also versioned. GEODI conveniently lists all versions for your reference. Query by data source. Data sources can also be seen in Facet area. A specific data source can be selected from the facet by simply clicking on it. Alternatively, you can use the source notation in the search box. Query by discovery results. From the GEODI facet area you have the option to select a specific discovery layer by clicking on it. Alternatively, you can use the layer notation in the search box. A project may consist of multiple discovery layers such as dates, boroughs, addresses, ID numbers, IBAN numbers, credit card numbers, and more. GEODI supports compliance with GDPR and various international standards. Parent-child relations. In cases like a PDF within a zip file, attachments within an email, files under a folder, or notes associated with a document, parent-child relationship among the content does exist. Regardless where the file is located, within a directory or zip file, GEODI will find it, scan it and even mark the duplicates. Parent, documents. Notation retrieves documents found within Documents folder. Parent.zip retrieves documents found within zip files. A specific keyword may also be used instead of the wildcard. For querying from child content, use child notation. Child.GeoDenote refers to content that has been annotated with notes. To search for notes containing specific phrases like meat, use the notation with parentheses, child sadface.geodenote meat. Query tabular data. GEODI searches through files, databases, or tabular data. To limit the search with a specific field within a table, add the field _name notation before the search criteria. Query by content owner. GEODI knows the owner of files added by using drag and drop functionality and allows to use it as a search criteria. To do so, use the owner notation followed by the username of the person who added the file. Also note that owner me notation will bring the files added to GEODI by yourself, allowing each user to bring their own set of added files. This feature is particularly useful in the My Notes panel. Text proximity operator. Proximity search is an advanced text analysis tool enabling to find content discovered around a search term. For instance, in our example project, using the street notation as a search criteria, we'll find roads near the word street. By using the proximity search, dates related to a person or individuals connected to a specific date and keyword can be queried. Please note that proximity search is applicable only to keywords and maps. Search by image. GEODI can go beyond just analyzing words, it can also perform image comparisons. It has the capability to match diverse items within a catalog, such as machine components or wallpaper sample. Just drag and drop your image into the search box, and let GEODI do the rest. If your license include FacePro, this attribute grants you the ability to search for individuals by using an image you already have in your possession. Search by location. By using GEODI's advanced geospatial capabilities, you can also perform queries to find content such as finding documents within 50 kilometers of London or documents around 300 meters from the London-Liverpool highway. Geometry notation indicates content that includes location information. For additional guidance, feel free to check out our support page. Congratulations! You have completed another training session. In this video, we have provided common knowledge on how to use GEODI. More information can be found in our training video series. For further insight, we strongly suggest that you try what you have learned in this video on your own. If you have any further question, please feel free to contact the DJ team.